Alright guys, so what you just saw was the proper footage of my setup. The previous video was just kind of setting it up and just giving you a sneak peek of the finished product. But now, I just thought, let's get proper B-roll footage, let's do this properly. Because I finally got a tripod for this camera over here so I can actually use it, which is great. And boom. I'm hoping it looks good. I haven't edited this yet, so I don't know, but stay tuned. And also let me know what you guys think about the whole camera setup and all that shit. If it looked good, let me know. And also, remember to hit subscribe, hit that share button, and also like this video. Cheers.